Hello students, welcome to the SPI online class of class 7 and it is the class of English 2. Today's topic is adjectives and degrees of comparison. You know what is adjectives? An adjective is a word used to describe a noun or a pronoun. It tells more about the kind, quality, quantity, ownership of the noun or pronoun it describes. Here is an example. He is a brilliant student. See, the student, we know the student is a noun and the word brilliant describes or modifies the noun. It shows the quality of the noun. The word brilliant shows the quality of the noun student. So it is adjective. Now, kinds of adjectives. How many kinds of adjectives are there? At least 8 or 9 kinds of adjectives are there in grammar. But here we will read 6 kinds of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality, then adjectives of quantity, then number, adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Now, come in detail. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives that describe the quality. Quality means shape, size, color of a person or thing. These adjectives answer the question what kind with respect to the noun or the pronoun they describe. Here, what kind of student is he? He is brilliant student. So, that example is the example of adjectives of quality. In your exercise A, question number 7, the bike has been painted red. The word red describes the color of the bike. So it is adjectives of quality. And in question number 10, the tortoise was slow but won the race since the hare was sleeping. So the word slow describes the tortoise quality. So the word slow and red are the adjectives of quality. Now, adjectives of quantity. These are the measuring words. That means they measured the noun and modify the noun. The answer the questions, the adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity answer the questions with how much. I have enough time. For an example, I have enough time to have a tea with you. How much time do I have? I have enough time. And in exercise A3, see, much happened after you left. How much happened? Much. Lots of happenings are there. Some other examples are some, most, much, all, etc. are the examples of adjectives of quantity. Now, number 3, adjectives of number. Adjectives of number denotes how many people or things are being talked about. It shows the numbers, positions used with the countable nouns. For an example, question number A4. He was the first person to reach home. The word first describes position of noun. He was the first person. The person is noun and first person, its position. So it describes the position of the noun. So it is adjectives of number. Some, the word some, sufficient, few are used both with countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Now come demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives points out which person or thing is meant. It denotes which person or thing is meant. This boy. Boy is noun. The word boy is noun, and this indicates that boy, points out that boy. So it is adjectives. And which adjective this is? Demonstrative adjectives. And in exercise B1, see, return these books. Which books? These books. The word these describes the noun book. So these are demonstrative adjectives. Some other examples: these, those, such, certain, etc. Now, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. Interrogative adjectives, mainly the WH words, used along with the nouns. For an example, which book? Book is noun. Which book will you buy? The book is noun, and which describes these books and make a question. Which, what news? News noun, and the WH word describes these news and make a question. So it is interrogative. In question number exercise B5, which movie have you watched recently? Which movie? Movie is noun, and the word WH word which describes this movie. So it is make a question, and it is interrogative adjectives. Now the last point, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives shows possessions or belongings. Whose things? This is my house. Whose house is this? House is noun, and the word my describes its position. So the word my is adjective. His books. Whose books? His books are on the table. So the word his is adjective, and it belongs to his books. The books belongs to his. Question exercise B, question number 6. Mrs. Sharma has hurt her or his knee. Whose knee? Her. Mrs. Sharma has hurt her knee. He hurt herself. Okay, so these pronouns are called possessive pronouns. I think you understood. Now, formation of adjectives. Adjectives can be formed by adding some suffix. Suffix, a group of letters used after the words to make adjectives or other parts of speech, such as fool, ous, us, able, able. Beauty plus fool, beautiful as an adjective. Courage plus ous, courageous, adjective. Love plus able, lovable, adjective. Love plus love plus ly, lovely, adjectives. So adjectives can be formed by using suffix. And you know prefix. Prefix are such words used before word. Before word. Prefix. P-R-E-F-I-X. That means C-O-N-N-E-C-T, connect. And if we use dis, then the word is disconnect. So these are the prefix dis. Dis, it is prefix. You know, personal, impersonal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, personal, and if we write it im, it is prefix, impersonal. Okay, and in suffix, time plus ly suffix, timely. Okay, pen, P-A-I-N, pen, plus less, painless. These are adjectives. Words plus ly, pen, words plus less, painless. These are adjectives. But with the adding of prefix, we get mainly the opposite words. Okay. So today, up to this, I think you understood. Bye.